Hello guys, and welcome to this install video of our new product for the Hyundai Veloster N. It is the carbon fiber WRC wing. I'm going to show you how to take apart your old Veloster N wing, this one shown with the Epsilon wing extension, and we're going to install the carbon fiber one located here. Depending on what version you have, or if you wanted a special option, yours may or may not come with the strakes pre-glued in. So if that's the case and you want to glue them in, we recommend either urethane adhesive or some kind of epoxy. Otherwise, realistically, this wing is in compression, so any adhesive that sticks on will work. If you have your wing pre-glued, you're going to receive it like this. You're going to have a carbon fiber third brake light cover because we do not use the center section over there. And then you're going to get the wing assembled as one whole large piece like this. As far as equipment, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm socket, which is going to be located over there. And not included, we may include in the future, is going to be some double-sided tape to help secure things down, though it is technically optional. Other than that, let's get started and uninstall the N-wing. I'm going to have Chance over here help me. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open the trunk. And you're going to pop off this cover here with some trim removal clips, but it is just pop off like that. After that, you're going to go ahead and unplug this right here. Once you're done, you have 10 mils to remove here, 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 and here for a total of 7. For a total of 7. We've gone ahead and taken them out for ease of use. And then you're also going to need to remove the rear window sprayer hose. So these screws out, grommets out like that, you just pry them out, and then we're going to take all the screws out. Once that's done, you're going to want to either get a heat gun or a fishing wire, and along this wing there's going to be double-sided tape, which will be a little annoying, but you are going to have to use a little force. So let's go ahead and get the screws out. Okay, and then make sure you don't drop it in these holes, so make sure you have someone capturing it. All right, so once that's done, close the trunk. And we're just gonna remove it because we've already taken the tape off because it is a long process. But you can see here, this is where the tape is located. Along here and along, this is foam, this is not tape, but along here and then tape around the circle section here. So you will need to finagle it. It did take us quite a while first time around, but you can see on here where the tape is located. All right, so once you have the wing off, everything else is a Phillips head. So you're gonna have another total of 7 Phillips heads located here, 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 and then 3 here. So it's very simple. You're just gonna go ahead and take the Phillips heads off. And that will help separate the top wing on the Veloster N with the bottom wing. One special side note is that this center section does have double-sided tape. So you will need to remove that and pry at it when you take it off for the very first time. Let's go ahead and take all this off. I'm gonna go ahead and split it, like so. And special attention to the double-sided tape. So on the factory wing, there's gonna be double-sided tape here, here, along this area, and along this area as well. Other than that, we should be good to go, and we're gonna go ahead and put the carbon wing on top. Okay, now that we have the lower end wing ready, I'm gonna do this in a very specific order. First, we're gonna put this cover on. You're gonna want a double-sided tape, the third brake light cover, otherwise it does this, because there's only one screw. So, go ahead and take this back out. So I put 2 pieces of double-sided tape here. I'm gonna put this back on. Put the screw in. Okay. Now before I put the wing on, I'm gonna go ahead and IPA the area that the wing is gonna glue. Unfortunately, I'm cheating here because I can see where the tape was before, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off all the residue. Now next, we're gonna put the whole wing on using the 2 screws or the 4 screws on the side first. But before we do that, you can see previously we had taken this off, but we're gonna put double-sided tape on these 2 strakes as an intermediate. This is completely optional if you want, because it is in compression, but we noticed that everything kind of holds a little better when we do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab our double-sided tape. I'm just gonna cut a couple of small rectangles here, and it's just to hold it. It's there's no function warning or function issues without doing it, because it is when the wing pushes down, all it does is pushes everything together. So it's not entirely necessary, but we're just gonna do it out of habit. So go ahead and put it on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and peel it. So now what you're gonna do is, with the wing upside down, we're gonna go ahead and put this bottom piece and line up the best we can with the rivet holes on the strakes and the sides. So right here, so you can see right here, that's lining up. And I'll go ahead and put a small screwdriver, and Chance is still holding the other side for me. So that's in. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. And then right here, this is lined up right here. Go ahead and put a piece right here too. Okay, while we have that in, we're gonna go ahead and line up the sides. And then there is a little bit of warpage. No part is perfect, but it's not too hard. We're gonna hold it in place while I have the last screws go in. It is, by our definition, still very good fitting. We don't have to fight it too much at all. And then the screws take care of the rest. That's it. It's in. So now go ahead and tighten everything. And then you can go ahead and press down right here to make sure those strakes are in. Just like that. Now that we have the whole wing, we can go ahead and put it back on the car. Chance, would you like to join me? Perfect. So same way, just we're gonna put the third brake light and the washer hose back in. If you want to replace the phone tape, you can, not absolutely necessary. Everything should just line up. Go ahead and pop the trunk. We're gonna go ahead and put the 10 screws back. So then we just put the trim back on. And that's it. Enjoy the new wing.